As we go back 6 hours, you can see the rain as it approached the East Texas area during the late morning and on through the afternoon. We had this outflow from that cluster of storms push on toward the south and brought some rain to deep East Texas, while the rest of the rain stayed to the north near the front, which is poised along the Red River north of us. As we go on through the evening, we'll continue to see rain up there and also down into the upper Texas coastal region, while most of East Texas could experiencing just a few spotty showers here and there as we go through the evening. Now, during the early morning hours, things should intensify a bit more as we get some heavier rainfall once again, especially in deep East Texas. And this is an area which has a heat advisory until 7 o'clock tonight. Looks like there'll likely be a flood watch for that area issued in the morning, while the northern sections has a flood watch until 7 o'clock tonight, with just a few spotty showers expected during the overnight hours. Some of the activity down in deep East Texas could become severe. It's just a marginal risk, but one or two of those storms could get strong enough to produce some gusty winds there in the southern part of East Texas. Here's the flood watch and the heat advisory, and you can see that heat advisory again is the brown area going until 7 o'clock from Cherokee over to Shelby County and points southward, and then the northern sections is under a flood watch. We could see additional rainfall, which could cause some flooding, especially in those low-lying areas. Our temperatures right now, well, they're a lot cooler than what we have been running, about 10 degrees below the average for this time of the year, thanks to the rain as well as the cloud cover that we had to go with it. And we're having our temperatures right now upper 70s to the low 80s across the area. There's still a lot of moisture available, the low levels of the atmosphere, as the dew points there are in the lower half of the 70s for most of our area. And so that we've still got the humidity in place, but just not quite as warm on those temperatures. So the heat index not a big problem today, as outside it feels like it's in the 80s just about everywhere instead of those triple digits. Rain chances over the next 7 days, a 60% chance on Saturday, and then we'll have a couple of dry days Sunday and Monday before chances for showers and thunderstorms pick up again by Tuesday and continue through the end of the work week. Forecast lows for Saturday morning when you get up will be in the mid 70s, and our high temperatures will make it to near 90 degrees, especially in the afternoon in areas that get a little sunshine. Tonight, the low 75 degrees, mostly cloudy, scattered showers and storms, and 70% probability of that happening during the nighttime hours, east winds at 5. Tomorrow we're expecting a high of 90. It'll be partly cloudy, scattered showers and storms again developing. Heat index outside of the areas that get the rain could be as high as 102. Southeast winds around 5 miles per hour, and there is a 60% chance of that rain occurring. First half of the weekend will be rather wet. Second half will be dry, and then we'll pick up a chance for showers and a few storms as we go through the week next week. Deep East Texas also starting with a wet weekend with dry conditions coming up for the end of the weekend, as we'll have sunshine, and that'll show you here in just a second, I'm hoping. There you go. And we will see the first part of the week being dry with some pretty warm temperatures, and then again a 20% chance of some rain by the middle of next week. You can find that forecast anytime you need.